Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to download Pragmata on your PC, so let's get started. First, make sure your PC has enough free storage and meets the system requirements. The Steam page lists 40 gigabytes available space and a 64-bit version of Windows 11. Now open your web browser and go to the official Steam website, or open the Steam app if you already have it installed. If Steam is not installed, click Install Steam, download it, and complete the installation. Once Steam opens, sign into your account. If you don't have an account, click Create a New Account and make one for free. After logging in, go to the Store section at the top. Now click the search bar and type Pragmata. Select Pragmata from the search results. On the game page, click Add to Cart Now, because this is a paid game. Complete the payment using your preferred payment method. After purchase, go to your library section, find Pragmata, and click Install, like this. Choose the folder where you want to install the game, then click Next. The download will begin. Wait until it finishes. The speed depends on your internet connection. Once installed, click Play to launch the game. If the game is slow, lower graphics settings or update your graphics drivers. That's it! You have successfully downloaded Pragmata on your PC.